Hi guys, this is Amanda with Off-Leash Canine Training. This is Kash and Eden. Eden is a 10-month-old French Bulldog and Kash is a 3-year-old Corgi. Eden travels with the family and they need her to have good basics so that she can continue to do so. Right now she pulls on the leash, she barks, she darts outdoors, and she just kind of does whatever she wants. She's a bad influence on Kash, and so Kash is doing all of these things as well. They both get each other amped up, and then sometimes they're just really hard to control whenever they're at home together. The following clips is their transformation after 2 weeks with me and their 2-week board and train.